You know, a place where I was born, there were no electricity. So if you are unlucky and end up wanting to go to the bathroom in the middle of the night, this was a big challenge. You would hear people say, Mom, I want to go in that place. Please come quick. Quickly come. And my mom will say, go, I'm watching over you. This is how we used to go. I'm watching over you, you just go. No, Mom, just come with me. Go, I see you. And you would open the door, thinking that they are actually watching over you. When they are rested in the bed, and you go. And you do your business there. And when you see maybe a banana trees, and you begin to think that might be another person, imagine this faith. That mom sees you even being in the bedroom. I believe some of you still remember these things. But we would just have faith that mom is watching over us. And you would go and come back inside. Going under the word by faith that mother is watching over you. But I'm not here to tell you that your mom is watching over you. I'm here to tell you that God sees you. Wherever you are, God sees you. God is with you.
Hallelujah.
Hallelujah. I want you to remember that God is omnipresent. Wherever you are, He's there. Whether you are in the house, outside, sleeping, seated, whether you are flying in the air, when you get in the airplane, you need to know that God is in charge of the whole air as well. So I usually get relaxed. So when the turbulent times begin to come, I'm with my God. He is with me. We are together.